Hey, look who's here again this weekend to help his mom. I really appreciate it. You know, it's almost a 3-hour drive for him to get over there or me to go back over to the Flathead. And yeah, he's interested in this project, he says, and he has such fantastic ideas. And you know, he kind of loves his ma. Things go way faster with his help than it would be with me on my own. I'm kind of old and I move slow. Well, that belt sander there of Andrew's sure does make short work of a big sanding chore. You know, that belt sander would come in very handy when it's time to sand that bed platform. That cheap plywood is kind of slivery. So today Andrew and I are putting together an electrical closet. So Spaz Van Gogh has 2 sets of double doors, one on each side. And I'm going to leave the passenger side as an entry exit, as that's what's normal. On the driver's side double door made me think a bit, though. I was first going to make an indoor-outdoor kitchen, but as I thought about that, I realized I probably wouldn't use it all that much. Then I was thinking about my electrical placement, and I started thinking about making the side room where those double doors are into a tool room. And also realized I could easily access my batteries and electrical by just opening up the double doors on that driver's side, and voila, there they would all be nicely accessible. So that is the project today. Let's see how it goes. Well, evidently, I didn't quite sand enough. He just wanted the edges to round off and finish smoother, because they kind of be sticking out. These are 3.5-inch screws going into 1/2-inch wood. I'd have blown out within an inch.
Clamp.
Clamp!
Cut 3.5-inch screws.
Okay.
Okay, that's the face. just enough when I ran my drill bit through it. That'll be fine. How I
See the
can,
look on my face?
how I can do that? I've never seen anyone do that either, just 3 inch screws. I'm like, you want it to last, don't you?
Yeah.
You want it to hold
It's
together.
gonna be in a state of
Figure out. Doesn't always fit. That's a good thing it came out. You're already working. Look, no eyes. Don't try this at home.
3.5-inch screw. Since these vans are in a state of constant earthquake, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere.
Throw it together. No cardboard, no clamps. Just build it, get it over with. Free estimates too.
Yes.
I've been doing this a little while. Oh jeez. Look at that. Man, I just eyeballing. You'd be pissed. Yeah? Didn't you go all the way to the window?
No, because I'm not having to.
You're getting rid of this.
I mean,
You're blocking it out. That'll be a little air vent so it doesn't overheat
Yeah, 'cause
in your
it-
electronics thing.
it opens in here.
Why not do that idea to put something up on top
Yeah,
of
I saved the little vent things that were in the headliner. So I can put them in there.
Doesn't have to be pretty or anything, that's probably good.
Yeah.
Take it out with my belt sander and just kind of round it off a
Move
little.
it off. Yep.
Ah. I didn't think it would fit that well the first time. Ooh. Sander.
Try as fast so then you can just peel it right off your skin. Well, it has been quite a busy day. The electrical closet is all but done. I'm just going to put some shelving over there on the left for some other tools. These solar components are going to be a little closer together. I just stuck them up there to get them out of the boxes, and I'll be back next week with another video. We're working on the bedroom walls and the bed platform. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little notification bell so that you are notified when the next video comes out. Have a great week. Be safe, my friends, and I will see you soon.